Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and I have something awesome to show you today. Cricut is releasing a Disney digital mysteries box. Woohoo! I did say Disney digital mystery box. Now, as we know, the Disney images are licensed, and you would have to either purchase them individually or you could purchase image sets individually, but they are not part of Cricut Access subscriptions. Okay, so Cricut has put together this super special new Disney digital mystery box full of all kinds of Disney images for us. And the great thing is it is only $29.99 for everything I'm going to show you. It's an amazing price. It's limited time only. I don't know at this point exactly when they're going to end this, but it's usually, not very long, maybe a week or so. And then when they do release this in the Cricut shop, each of these sets would probably be about that much each. Okay, so now's the time to grab them if you want any of these, and they are super cool. Let me show you. I do want to point out before we move forward is that if you are a premium access subscriber, one of your benefits is you get 10% off of any digital image purchases. And guess what? It includes the digital mystery boxes. Okay, so if you're a premium access subscriber, awesome, you get an additional 10% off. Other than that, there's no other coupons that you can use on this, no coupon codes. All right, let's take a look at what's in here because it is so cool. The first thing is the Disney Tsum Tsums, okay? Now, these are little, if you have not seen these before, you're looking at this going, what in the world? The Tsum Tsums, and that's what my grandchildren call them, so I'm assuming I'm calling them the right name. But anyway, they're like little plush toys. They're about the size of a Twinkie, and they have a cute head, which you'll see here. So there's a face, and then there's the back end of them, okay? And then there's a little plush toy in between. But for the images, they're showing you the face and the back end of them. So there's 18 different images here. Really cute. Some of your favorite characters are on here, but you will find these, the little plush things that the kids are collecting in a lot of different shops. When you go shopping, you'll notice there'll be like a little display of them, and the kids go crazy because they're trying to collect certain ones. So I thought this was a fun image for them to be showing us. As part of this Disney digital mystery box. Okay, so let's see what else. And there is a font included, which is the Disney Tsum Tsum font. And you would find that in the text after you purchase the digital mystery box. Then you would log out of Design Space and log back in, and you'll be able to find all of these images and the font. The font will be found underneath you'd have to insert text and type something and then select the Disney Tsum Tsum font for it to show up. Just so you know. All right, so what else? There's a ton of stuff to show you guys. So the next one is the Disney Tangled, the series. This has 12 images of some of our favorite characters from the Tangled series, and these have line drawings on them as well as cut layered images, and I'll show you a little bit about that in a minute. But you get these 12 images. Let's look at the next one. You also get Disney Lion Guard. So some of these are some of our favorite characters from The Lion King, and they're going to be a lot of fun to make different projects with. But I wanted to show you when I'm talking about line drawing on these. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so when you look in the layers panel over here, you see that there are cut files, right? So you would be cutting and layering the images. But then you're going to notice that there's some line drawings on here too. That means that the Cricut Design Space is going to prompt you to put a pen in, and it is going to draw those images. Now on this particular one, it looks like a tattoo that they put on. I think this is Keon, and so they have a tattoo on him. So it will prompt you to put the pen in at the appropriate time. Several of these image sets are line drawing layered images, which is a cool thing to play with. And let's look at the next one. So the next image set is the Disney Classic Scenes. There's 8 different scenes, and these would be so sweet like in a kid's nursery, or you can use them when you want to do embroidery is kind of what I'm thinking. you could draw that on some material and be able to go back and do some embroidery with it. That might be a fun project to do. Anyway, so you get these 8 Disney classic scenes, and oh, there's still more. All right. Absolutely one of my all-time favorites is the movie Zootopia. I don't know if you guys have seen this. If you haven't, you need to watch it. Even if you are an adult, you are going to relate to this movie. Anyway, so all the great characters are here. So you've got Chief, you've got the officer, you've got Judy, who's the star of the show. You've got everybody on here. You have Flash the Sloth, which is hilarious. That scene is great in the movie. And of course, you have the other leading character, which is Nick Wilde, and other various characters. So you get all 32 images from Zootopia. Super fun. Love this. All right, now it would not be a Disney digital mystery box if we didn't have any Mickey and Friends, right? So now we're going to have spooktacular Disney characters, and of course they're all decked out in their finest Halloween costumes, and these are really cute, super adorable. Well, unfortunately, Halloween's going to be here before we know it. We'll be sliding right into the holidays. So these would be great to make, gifts for friends. A lot of people love Disney. You could do, t-shirts. You can make, a lot of different things with this. The Disney characters also lend themselves really well to doing like using your print and cut feature in Design Space. So lots of fun ways that we can use this. So those are all the images that come in the Cricut Disney Digital Mystery Box. There again, all of the images that I just showed you are going to be, you're going to get them for $29.99 if you buy it right now. Use my link, please, to make your purchase. That helps support me keeping you guys informed, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Unfortunately, there's no promo code that can be used with the digital mystery boxes. But if you are a premium access subscriber, you will get that 10% off when you check out. You'll see it. I hope you guys love this as much as I do. Disney is always a fun thing to get in a digital mystery box because since they're licensed images, you can't really get them otherwise. And come join us over in the Let's Learn Cricut Explorer Facebook group or in my Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill group. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for using my link. Bye.